Hello friend, in this video you will learn type of beam as per R.C.C design. I am Samyadi back with new tutorial video regarding R.C.C where I discuss. In my last video I discussed about permissible stress for steel. In case you missed this video, then you will find the I button here. Just go and check out. Otherwise you go to playlist section and check out this video. So yeah, if you find some value from this video, then definitely like the video and share and subscribe my channel, and this helps me lots, and definitely that helps to YouTube algorithm. Today, before starting the type of beam as per R.C.C, you may confused uh, in my before starting this topic type of beam as per R.C.C method, you may thought you may think in your mind that beam like simple supported beam, fixed beam, cantilever beam. Yeah, these all are the type of beam as per strength of material purpose, as per doing the SFD BMD purpose. Okay. Now we'll do the construction. So same concept is also here, but till we are differentiate the beam as per shape and position of reinforcement. Okay, so basically broadly we are classify this topic in four parameters, in four section. Number one, singly reinforced section. Doubly or double reinforced section, T beam, L beam. Okay, so one by one we'll discuss the single reinforcement section, double reinforcement section, and T beam as well as L beam. Okay, so let's get started with the single reinforcement section. Single reinforcement section. Okay, before starting the single reinforcement section, one thing I would say, yeah, this is the beam. After applied the load, and load is applied, W load applied, then what happen? Generally happen, um, deflection will occur. What will occur? The deflection will occur. Okay. If deflection will occur, then if this will your neutral axis, and above the neutral axis, this part is compression, and this part will your tension. Okay, so from this concept we know that, from this concept we can conclude that above neutral axis it is compression, below neutral axis it is tension. Compression, the concrete take compression. Tension taken by steel. Yeah, that will mention in our assumptions video. Yeah, there is the assumptions. Compression resisted by concrete, tension resisted by steel. That is very much clear. So according these assumptions, we will draw a section. whole this hatches portion filled with concrete, and these small diameter are your steel. So reinforcement in a single layer, placed below the neutral axis is known as single reinforcement section, where concrete is represented as concrete who take care of compression, and steel take care for tension. So these are the simple concept or simple representation of single reinforcement section, where single layer of reinforce are placed below the neutral axis. Now we move to the double reinforcement section. We are very much happy with this single reinforcement section, but we observed that when we applied the load, gradually increasing the load, the dimension like B, D are increased huge. Okay, so then aesthetic economic part will be hampered. Aesthetic economic part getting hampered. Then what we do some modification. We do the modification because to limitize the dimension. To limitize the dimension. So read it carefully or hear it carefully. We are happy with the single reinforcement section. But when the load is gradually increasing, then dimension B and D are getting increasing. That is why aesthetic part, economic part will reduce. So considering these two aspects, what we'll do some limitize B and D. So limitize B and D, what will do? See, force increase. That means bending moment maximum value increase. If bending value maximum value increase, then what happen? Area of steel will be increased, right? If areas of steel will be increased, then definitely if we apply it in single layer, then B will be increased. Then what we'll do? We will do providing this steel not in single layer but multi-layer. As well as compression taken by concrete as well as this compression taken by steel. Then imagine the cross section. Again, these are our cross section for single reinforcement. Compression taken care by concrete as well as steel. One layer of steel, two layer of steel, minimum. If you do multi-layer, you can do also this. This is very rare condition. So this concept is known as your doubly reinforcement section. Doubly reinforcement section. So I hope that is very clear to you how the single reinforcement concept came, and gradually how the doubly reinforcement concept came to counterpart to counteract with the limitation of single reinforcement concept. Now we talk about third T-beam as well as L-beam. Before starting this concept, I want to introduce a one word, that is your monolithic construction. This monolithic construction means casting beam, slab, maybe tool column together. And now understand. Suppose this is your beam and above beam this is your slab. This is another beam. This is another beam. Now understand one thing very carefully. If we cut this section from here and here, then what happen? See, one section is like this. One section is like this. And one section is like this. Now visualize yourself. One section is this, another section is this. Yeah, this part for slab and this part for beam. Again, this part for slab, this part from beam. So when casting the roof, you have to casting slab beam togetherly. The end portion of beam slab is known as your L beam. An intermediate thing like this is known as your T beam. Hope the concept is clear to you. So, as per shape and position, the beam is either T beam or L beam. Position of reinforcement, it is single reinforcement or double reinforcement. Okay. Hope this concept has clear to you. So yeah, if you have any kind of doubt, definitely let me know in comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from this video, then definitely do a like, share and subscribe my channel, because this helps me a lot, gives me more inner motivation to make such beautiful content for you. Next video, we will talk about the concept of equivalent section. Concept of equivalent section. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.